Waterfalls are commonly formed when a river is young. This is hard rock. This is soft rock. The water erodes the soft rock. The water erodes slowly, and I mean very slowly, the soft rock, taking away little rocks with it. The water erodes away the soft rock due to hydraulic action and makes the waterfall get steeper and steeper and forms a plunge pool. Over time, the hard rock gets undercut and the little rocks get broken up. The hard rock remains as it's harder than the soft rock. Eventually, the more resistant rock gets weaker and weaker and forms cracks. Eventually, the hard rock gives way under pressure and breaks off. Then the new cycle is formed. The cycle continues again and again, and the waterfall retreats back up the valley. You are left with a gorge.